In front of me is VIVO Y70, and let me show you how to activate and use Talkback on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the list of all apps, go to the settings then, and reach accessibility. I cannot see it, so let me enter it in search area. Accessibility, so it's under settings, and here go to Talkback. If you'd like to activate it, smoothly tap on the switcher, tap on allow, and basically all you need to know about Talkback is that you have to mark something once, then double tap to select it. Let me just volume the device a bit, and let's listen to this info.
When Talkback is on, it provides spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. This can be helpful for people who are blind or partially sighted. To navigate using Talkback, swipe right or left to move between items. Double tap to activate an item. Drag 2 fingers to scroll. To turn off Talkback, tap the switch. You'll see a green outline. Double tap the switch. On the confirmation message, tap OK. Then double tap OK in list 2 items.
So that's how you can use Talkback. Let me show you. Mark something,
Navigate up button, out of
double tap to scroll, just use your fingers, and then to turn Talkback off, mark it,
Talkback on, speak items on screen, in list 30 items.
double tap,
Talkback.
mark use service,
Use service.
click twice to
Alert,
turn it
stop
off,
talk-
tap on stop,
Talkback
and that's
on.
it. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.